ढील दे रे भैया।
ढील दे रे भैया, उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए।
अरे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे। ढील दे रे भैया।
तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है, तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है।
उंगली कट सकती है बाबू हो, उंगली कट सकती है बाबू, तो पतंग क्या चीज है रे। ढील दे रे भैया।
ढील दे रे भैया, उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए। जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे। ढील दे रे भैया।
कैसे कटी उड़ी थी शान से।
चल सरक अब खिसक, तेरी नहीं थी वो पतंग, वो तो गई किसी के संग संग संग। हम न कर घुमा फिर के तू फिर से घर घर, आसमां है तेरा प्यार हौसला बुलंद कर।
दम नहीं है आंखों में न मांझ की पकड़ है।
फिर से तू होने दे जंग, नजर सदा हो ऊंची, सिखाती है पतंग, सिखाती है पतंग। ढील दे रे भैया।
ढील दे रे भैया, ढील दे रे भैया, ढील दे रे भैया। उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे। ढील दे रे भैया।
Today I have got amazing specials for you to to buy that they're offering, and you can win some instant prizes. So go and register yourself. In the center part, you can sit there and enjoy, relax, get away from the sun. Not that there's so much sun. There's face painting for kids, and look around. You know, there's bicycles that you can ride. Kids can ride. There's a mini jeep out there, and that side you can fly the kites.
बांधी थी से थी तिरछी सी लागे, झुलमी जुल्फें तेरे पीछे भागे। बांधी थी से थी तिरछी सी लागे, झुलमी जुल्फें तेरे पीछे भागे। पत्थरों को कैसे करूं कहूं बस में, भोर की लाली न गई कि ये जागे।
राधे 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 बोल दे, राधा की काली रातों में प्रेम का रंग बोल दे।
राधा की प्रीत में तारों को खींच के दिन तक नचाएगी। म्यूजिक बजेगा लव तो राधा नाचेगी। म्यूजिक बजेगा लव तो राधा नाचेगी। म्यूजिक बजेगा लव तो राधा नाचेगी।
Thank you, Madhuji, for registering and enjoy your hamper.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. The lucky winner is Mayank Patel, Asa Mayank Patel.
तौबा ये सादगी, चेहरे पे ताजगी, ये बात उसमें कहाँ। तौबा ये सादगी, चेहरे पे ताजगी, ये बात उसमें कहाँ। उस चांद का मुकाबला क्या होगा इस चांद के आगे। ये सारी रात जगाए हमें वो बेचारा, सारी रात जागे। तौबा ये सादगी, चेहरे पे ताजगी, ये बात उसमें कहाँ। तौबा ये सादगी, चेहरे पे ताजगी, ये बात उसमें कहाँ। उस चांद का मुकाबला क्या होगा इस चांद के आगे।
तेरे नाम जिंदगी, तेरे नाम जिंदगी।
हम ये सोचते थे कोई ऐसा नहीं जो बनाए दीवाना यूं हमको कभी। हम ये सोचते थे कोई ऐसा नहीं जो बनाए दीवाना यूं हमको कभी। लेकिन ये हो गया, पागल दिल खो गया, ऐसा कोई भी ना यहाँ। उस चांद का मुकाबला क्या होगा इस चांद के आगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Vaishnav Parivar New Zealand, I would like to thank you all very much for supporting our annual kite festival. And obviously, as you witnessed today, despite our drizzle and short rainfall, that we had a very successful event, and no event obviously successful without the support of participants like yourselves. Including that, we need sponsors for the event, and obviously Vaishnav Parivar is very grateful for having had so many sponsors come forward and help us to organize this event.
The event cannot be a success without the support of the sponsors, media partners, and the supporters of the Vaishnav Parivar. I would like to thank all our sponsors. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ajay Kumar of Global Financial Services Limited. Global Financial Services Limited are our event partner and event sponsor. Also, we are grateful to them for providing a free car park, which has facilitated a great help to everyone parking the cars. Secondly, I would like to thank Lion Foundation, who have proudly supported the event, and this is maybe fourth year in success they have supported us. I would like to thank Mr. Vivek Walia of 2 Degree Henderson. 2 Degree Henderson are the local dealers of the mobile services in the area of West Auckland. I would like to thank Mr. Ranjay Sikka of Slumber Zone Bed Limited. I would like to thank Mr. Martin of Oster Reality Limited, LJ Hooker Blockhouse Bay Limited. I would like to thank Samir Patel of Printing.com at Papakura Photo Image. Also our sponsors, John Andrew Ford Limited and North Harbour Ford and Mazda Limited. I would like to thank Mr. Arvind Patel of Ecolife Lighting, Mr. Jayant Bhai Patel of SN Ventures, Mr. Gagandeep Gupta of Bath and Tile, Mr. Pankaj Dalal of Hell Pizza, Albany. I would like to thank Mr. Huzefa of Space Age Travel and Tours, Mr. Ashish Shah of Jain Motors, Mr. Sanjeev Brahmbhatt of Reliance Ventilation Services Limited, Mr. Rizwan of Kiwi Plastic and Packaging Limited, Mr. Himal Shah of Olives Pizza and Pita, Mr. Vinay Mehta of New Zealand Housing Inspection Company, Mr. Darshan Shah, he is a builder in Auckland area and he is supporter of Vaishnav Parivar. I would like to thank Mr. Naresh Rana of Sriji Vegetarian Takeaways. I would like to thank Mr. Milan Choksi of Vision Groups Limited. We are very thankful to Radio Tharana being our radio partners. I would like to thank Mr. Gary Gupta of Indian Weekenders. Also, we would be thankful to Mr. Kushwant Singh of Cook Punjabi Samachar. Now, as we know, this ground has been made available by Auckland Jockey Club. I would like to thank Mr. John Craig of Auckland Jockey Club, and this ground has been the event has been facilitated by the Auckland Council West, and I would like to thank Debbie Weller. She is the facilitator of the event. I would like to thank Auckland Transport for providing the cycle training for the kids. I would like to thank Mr. Jasdeep Sachdev of Bharatiya Samaj. And I would like to thank all the volunteers, particularly the volunteers of Bharatiya Samaj who have helped us organizing the event. Apart from that, there are so many people who have helped us and volunteered for this event. I heartfully thank all of them, and I wish we will be having the Kite Festival probably in 16th of January of 2016. Hopefully the weather will be fine like this, but without any drizzles. Thank you very much.
You may be all surprised. It is Ishwar Bhai and the ticket number is 0041. I can tell you there was no gimmicks, no tricks or anything, manipulation was done, but it was just a luck. And Ishwar Bhai, congratulations. And I want to tell you one thing. Vaishnav Parivar, first of all, I would like to congratulate for the thumping success of the event, and it is a great event they have been doing again and again every year. And I can tell you this is one of the most wanted and most waited event. People wait all year to come and participate in this one. I congratulate Manar Bhai and his team for all this, all the volunteers. Well done. So the first prize goes to first ticket of the 13th prize goes to Ishwar Bhai Patel. He picked up himself. Well done, Ishwar Bhai.
Well, we won't allow him to take that prize himself. We'll have somebody to give it to him. So I'll ask Mr. Sachdev to present the 13th prize to him. It's a voucher from Ford Motor Company. And Vinay Bhai obviously has got the ticket on behalf of his neighbor who has won the prize.
Vidya Behere. Vidya Behere, ticket number 0113. Ticket number 0113. Vidya Behere. Thank you.
Well, I can just see the movement. I'm sorry that you guys didn't win, but whoever has won, that lady called Vidya, obviously will get in touch with her and try and give the prize away to her.
Now we have got a consolation for everyone who has not won the prize. There are some all black flags and some musical CDs here. Those who want, they can have them. First come, first serve prize. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that brings the end of our event. Thank you again very much for supporting us, and we hope to see you in big numbers next year when we can have better and bigger prizes for you as well. Once again, thank you very much on behalf of Vaishnav Parivar.